Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 5, essay about student-posed obstacles to student success, 120 points, 1,000 words. Okay, so what are student-posed obstacles to student success? These would be obstacles or problems that students cause for themselves that stop them from becoming academically successful. Okay, let's scroll down and survey this assignment, beginning with the artwork. We have SpongeBob looking into a mirror, and this fits with the theme of our assignment, which is the self-concept, a student's self-concept. What is that? We'll find out presently. Let's first survey the assignment before I read the directions and let you know about the self-concept. Okay, so scrolling down, we see that we have 5 links here. I'm going to ask you to click on the last 4 links on your own. I will click on and read the due dates link with you. Okay, so this assignment has a part 1. It also has a part 2. It has a works cited, and it has help with quoting right here. Okay, scrolling up, I'm going to go ahead and click on the due dates. So post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think you will not make these due dates, come over here to inbox and email me, please. And keep in mind our late assignment policy, which is right here. If you think you're not going to be able to submit an assignment on time, send me an email in the Canvas inbox and let me know what prevents you from submitting an assignment on time. Do not send me an email telling me you're submitting an assignment late. Tell me why. Have a conversation with me. If there's anything I can do to help you, trust me, I will. Okay, so remember that you need to email me. Don't email me telling me this assignment's going to be late. Email me letting me know what's up, all right? Okay, let's go back to the due dates, and I'm clicking on the back arrow to get back into the assignment. Okay, so we have a part 1 for a targeted reader group of students. Number 1, write a 3 to 4 page informal essay, 750 to 1,000 words, one in which you can use the first person singular, I, me, mine, and share your thoughts, feelings, and ideas about the essay topic. What is the essay topic? Agree or disagree with this contention. A student's experience as a student, his or her opinion about how the educational system works and the value of what he or she learned in school affects his or her self-concept as a student, whether or not that student has the confidence to believe that he or she can understand complex information by studying. Okay, so what is a self-concept? We have a formal definition here, but it's basically how a student views him or herself. So we have a definition in this first paragraph. Okay, I'm going back into the directions. Number 2, support your thesis by using yourself as an example in regard to the amount of effort you put forth in regard to reading Chapter 2 of Paulo Freire's Pedagogy of the Oppressed, 1968. You had the reading timeline in advance, knew that you had to read this text writing by a certain date, and understood that you're in an accelerated class, completing work in 8 weeks that would normally be completed in 16 weeks. Did you work hard to understand the text like this? And here is an annotated text in which all of the words that a student may not understand are highlighted with links to definitions of those words and questions that a reader would ask after every paragraph. So it's done for all of the paragraphs. And the yellow highlighting is for important thoughts. Okay, so scrolling down, we have this. We have 2 gold stars in paragraph 31. So that's a particularly important thought. Scrolling down all the way. to the end of the essay. And questions after every paragraph, which is the problem-posing system of education. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, take us back into the directions. And my question was, did you work hard to understand the text like this? And here's a link. Or did you procrastinate about reading the text or not read the text at all? Did your experience as a high school student teach you, as it taught me, that you did not have to apply much effort to pass a class? If you completed homework, no matter how well or badly, you'd pass the class. I always say that the only useful thing I learned in high school was how to type. What was your experience, and how did it shape your self-concept as a student? Your confidence as a student, whether or not that student has the confidence to believe that he or she can understand complex information by studying. Okay. Number 3, write your essay for a persuasive purpose, something you want students to reflect about or do. If you do not know what a rhetorical focus is, please view the video below, and it's right here. And number 4, quote from at least 2 of the sources listed in the works cited below. All the articles are a great read, but I think Devin Price's article is revolutionary. Read it? Okay, so Devin Price's article is right here, and there are links to all the articles in the URL address. Okay, so part 2, what do we need to do? Part 2, evaluate 2 peers' essays and click here for directions. So here are the directions, and that takes us to the peer evaluation directions. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow. We're back in the assignment right here, which involves the self-concept of a student. If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here. All right, you're never bothering me if you email me. You're never emailing me too many times if an assignment is not clear. I want to help. I want to guide. Okay, let's have a good week.